Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule on Instagram on PCs or laptop. So this is very simple. You just have to go to Meta Business Suite and you can go to Instagram. So this page will appear here, and just you have to click on the create post, and here you can upload photos or videos from your desktop. So I'm going to upload this and schedule this on a date. So here you can see scheduling option and set date or time. So I'm going to just set this on Friday at 09:46 p.m. So now scheduling this. So before scheduling, you can put here anything like caption or any code. So, and here you can see the schedule post. So this post is scheduled on Friday 9:46 p.m. So like this way you can just schedule your post. Thanks for watching the video, and please do comment down for more contents, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.